How to find account ownership and control. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find account ownership and control. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now to get to this page, just click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. And now click on the first option, which is personal and account information. All you need to do now is click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. And this is it. You have a memorization, setting, and deactivation and deletion. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.